Hello, let's color some bottles. Chose this brush and these dark brownish shade bottles because these were easily available to me. Creating some moon art, I guess. Made a circle but thought it should be a little bigger. Some real cinematography, if you know. At this point, thought to add some reddish touch. Well, I don't know why some artists don't like Mary's paint. I mean, they produce really good shades, and in Pakistan, okay, never mind. And in Pakistan, these are available in good quantities relative to other brands. That blue color is by Today, and it's also of a good quality. Here just added a star in reddish shade. That didn't look well, so I replaced it with white color. Here is some pretty closer look. It was absolutely fun creating this.